Hello everyone and happy Earth Day! So today I'm going to show you how to write an acrostic poem. You received an assignment this week where you have to write an acrostic poem. So for 3rd grade and 4th grade they only had to write 1 acrostic poem, and for 5th grade you actually have to write 2 acrostic poems. One of them is the Earth Day acrostic poem, which is what 3rd and 4th have, and then the 5th graders also get to write an acrostic poem with the word recycle. Now I am not going to be writing an acrostic poem using the words Earth Day and recycle because I don't want to take any ideas from you guys or give you any ideas. I'd like you to come up with your poem on your own. But I am going to go ahead and create an acrostic poem on my own using the word Christmas. So I'll be writing a Christmas acrostic poem in April, which makes sense. So with an acrostic poem, you have to write your word vertically this way. Vertical means up and down. Now I've already provided you with a graphic organizer that looks something like this. You should also have a planning page. And so after you finish your planning page, you can go ahead and transfer it over to your final draft. Now because this is such a small piece of paper here, you're actually going to make your acrostic poem really short. You're not going to have long lines that will take up a whole piece of paper. So maybe 4 or 5 words each line. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the first letter in my word. For you guys, it would be E for Earth Day. For me, because I'm writing mine about Christmas, I'm going to start with C. That means that this line of my poem has to start with the letter C. Cranberry garlands hung up on trees, red and white stockings I see on the mantle. So what I've done here is I've used these letters. See the word Christmas written vertically? And every letter starts a line. So I have to come up with a line that starts with that letter. So C for cranberry garlands, H hung up on trees, R red and white stockings, I see on the mantle. It's that simple. Let me go ahead and finish my poem. So you can see here what I've done was I took my word, Christmas, and I made lines that started with each letter from my word. Now you guys are going to be creating an acrostic poem just like this about Earth Day, and if you're in 5th grade, you're also doing one about recycling. It is that simple. Acrostic poem is one of the easiest poems you can write, but if you have any trouble, feel free to send me an email or contact me on MobyMax. I am not going to ask you to submit this assignment on MobyMax. I think it's pretty important that you either color it online or that you print it out or take your paper packet and color it with crayons or markers or whatever else. I'd really like to be able to display these in the cafeteria when they're all finished.